I'm Charles Fleischer, the Dragon Voice Recognition Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to save your document using Dragon Voice Recognition hands-free inside Microsoft Word. It's pretty simple. First, you make sure your microphone's on, wake up, click Save, stop listening. Okay, if you'll notice at the bottom, it just quickly showed you down here that it was saving, and then you know that it was saved, and that's it. That's how to save your document completely hands-free using Dragon Voice Recognition software. Once again, I am Charles Fleischer, the Dragon Voice Recognition Pro, and if you want to get more tips about how to use Dragon Voice Recognition software, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel right here on this page, or if you're interested in learning more about my e-course, which is a crash course on how to quickly start using Dragon Naturally Speaking, you can visit my website, which is also right here on this page. So I look forward to sharing more tips with you really soon, and hopefully we'll see you subscribe to the page. Bye bye.